Hey everybody, it's Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. Hey, I'm up at my barn without my air compressor and I got a flat tire. It's had a leak in it, but dang, I didn't know it was gonna go that flat. It's been up here all night. Hey, but I do have a new little, like one of those car 12 volt air compressors that I haven't tried out yet. So let's try it out. All right, Kobalt has just been riding around with me. There's the item number from Lowe's. Haven't even opened it. Looks like the bottom's coming open. Got a bag. Get back there. There's the directions. See if we can figure it out. So I got to reach from there to the back tire. Little guys in the bottom here. She made it. Let's see. I think it's got an on switch. Light came on. Over there and mess with the tractor for a minute, but that's up to almost 30 psi, which is plenty to get me home. I just live about a half mile, less than a half mile down there. But all right, I started the truck, which of course increased the productivity there, and I like it. All right, I'm a fan. I'm headed home. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I just curled it back up and kind of stuck it in there. It's got some more adapters and stuff here. I'll figure those out in a minute. Thank y'all.